Hi, I'm Beth Alcazar, Senior Staff Writer with the USCCA, and today we're going to talk about a scenario in which you're alone, home at night, when you're awakened by what sounds like movements in your home. And we'll ask the responsibly armed American, what would you do? In today's scenario, imagine that you're alone in the country. Maybe you've been sleeping for a few hours, but you're awakened by the sound of what might be someone in your home. Now, we presented this question to our Facebook fans, and most of the answers were pretty short and simple. One to the body, 2 to the head. Game over. Obviously, that's not the best answer to this particular scene, since that motion could be pretty much anything if you're living in the country. Could be a wild animal outside, but what if it's a loved one who just happened to come to your house unexpectedly? Those accidents and horrible situations have happened before, so we're going to cancel out that answer altogether. Another fan said, arm yourself, assess the situation, don't overreact, but don't let your guard down. Now, for us at the USCCA, we would love for you to gather up the necessities, maybe phone, keys, firearm, and get to a safe place. This is not your opportunity to run around your house clearing rooms. This is your chance to go to safety and call for help. And again, avoid, escape, defend works in this scenario just like any others. Going through these what would you do scenarios can be incredibly valuable to learning about situational awareness. If you'd like to learn more, you can click right here. And don't forget to like and share this video. If you really liked it, you can subscribe and hear great information every week. So be sure to stay safe and be well armed.